Welcome to the Self-Spark channel, where we shine a light on the extraordinary stories that lie hidden in the ordinary. Stories that inspire, motivate, and reaffirm our faith in humanity. Stories that remind us of the power of love, kindness, and community in building a better world. In this video, we'll be taking you on a journey to a quaint, tranquil town, where an extraordinary tale of empathy, solidarity, and community spirit unfolded. This is not a fairy tale nor a work of fiction, but a true story that occurred in the heart of this close-knit community. It's a story that will remind us of our shared humanity, the strength of unity, the magic of kindness, and the incredible power we wield when we choose love over indifference, kindness over apathy, and community over isolation. So sit back, relax, and join us on this incredible journey as we explore the transformative power of small acts of kindness and the ripple effects they can have in our world. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Now, let's dive into the heart of this story, the kindness of Tom's town. In the heart of a quaint, tranquil town, there lived an extraordinarily ordinary man named Tom. This was no ordinary town, but a place where everyone knew each other. A place where the sense of community was strong and unshakable. In the midst of this close-knit community, Tom was much more than just another face. His name resonated through the narrow cobblestone streets, bounced off the rustic weathered walls of the houses, and settled in the hearts of the townsfolk. His notoriety was not due to immense wealth or a high societal status, but something much more precious: his warm heart and unending kindness. Tom was not a man of superficiality, but one of great depth and substance. He was the type of man who knew how to listen, how to understand, and most importantly, how to lend a hand. He greeted with a warm smile, a kind word, and a heart filled with genuine concern. His eyes sparkled with a light that made even the darkest days seem bright. He was a beacon of hope, and his presence meant comfort to those in distress. As fate would have it, one fateful day, Tom fell gravely ill. The news of his ailment, like a spark in dry grass, spread the town with unprecedented speed and urgency. The news echoed through the streets, casting a somber shadow over the usually bustling marketplace, the lively taverns, and the cheerful homes. The usual humdrum of life was replaced by a palpable tension, a shared concern for members of their community. Without a moment's hesitation, the town sprung into action. The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker, all put aside their usual routines to rally around their ailing friend. They cooked meals, filled with and prayers. They took turns caring for him, ensuring he was never alone in his battle. They raised funds, each contributing according to their means, to cover his escalating medical bills. The community's response was a sight to behold, magnificent display of human empathy and solidarity. It was not just about one man's illness, it was about their collective strength, their unity. It was about their shared humanity and the magic that kindness could engender. It was a lesson in community service, a lesson in love and compassion, a lesson in being there for each in times of dire need. This is a testament to the power of community, the strength of unity, and the magic of kindness. In our world today, we are faced with numerous challenges. These challenges span across various aspects of our lives, with significant impacts that create a ripple effect. Our environment is suffering from the dire consequences of climate change. Unpredictable weather patterns, increasing global temperatures, melting ice caps, and rising levels are a testament to the severity of the problem at hand. Our political landscape is not faring any better. With political unrest erupting in various corners of the globe, the need for strong leadership and diplomatic relations is more vital than ever. Corruption, power struggles, and the absence of democracy are contributing to an unstable and unpredictable political climate. Social inequality is another daunting issue we must confront. Wealth and power are concentrated in the hands of the few, leading to vast disparities in income and opportunities. Inequality fuels social tensions and creates a divide that hinders our collective progress. Further adding to the complexity of our challenges is poverty. Millions of people across the globe live below the poverty line, struggling daily with inadequate access to basic needs such as food, water, healthcare, and education. This is a human rights issue that we need to address urgently. These issues combine to form what seems like an insurmountable mountain of negativity. There are days when the weight of these challenges feels unbearable, The darkness seems all-encompassing, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed and powerless. However, we must counter this negativity with resilience, fostering a spirit of hope and optimism. Amidst these hardships, it's important to remember that we, as a global community, have the power to effect change. It starts with each one of us. We have the power to make a difference in our own small ways through acts of love and kindness. It's these small acts that, when woven together, create a fabric of social solidarity and community resilience. But it is precisely in these times that we need to remember the power of love, kindness, and community. The story of Tom and his small town is not a unique one. It's rather a tale that rings true across countless towns, cities, and communities scattered worldwide. This story, a poignant tale of human compassion, is a reflection of the unending, countless acts of kindness that happen every day. It's about those simple, heartfelt gestures we often overlook, the actions that go unnoticed, uncelebrated, in the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced lives. These acts of kindness are not grand or flamboyant. They are small and seemingly insignificant: a warm smile to a stranger, a helping hand to an elderly neighbor, a cup of coffee for a homeless person, a word of encouragement to a disheartened friend. These are the silent heroes of our daily lives, the small acts of love that quietly work to uplift spirits, to forge connections, and to bring about change in the most unexpected ways. They are the whispers of hope that echo in the hollow spaces of despair, the sparks of love that ignite the flame of compassion, the drops of kindness that ripple through the ocean of humanity. These acts of kindness are the unsung melodies of our collective existence, the invisible threads that weave the tapestry of our humanity. They exist in every corner of the world, in every heart that beats with compassion, in every soul that yearns for kindness. They are the hidden gems that shine amidst the darkness, the silent poems that speak volumes about our inherent goodness, the invisible wings that carry our dreams of a kinder world. The story of Tom and his town is a testament to these acts. It is a reflection of the countless acts of kindness that happen every day, often unnoticed and uncelebrated. These acts, no matter how, have the power to uplift spirits, to forge connections, and to bring about change. It is a narrative of our shared humanity, a celebration of the unseen, unappreciated, and uncelebrated acts of kindness that power the engine of our collective existence. These acts, no matter how small, have the power to uplift spirits, to forge connections, and to bring about change. Love, kindness, and community are the building blocks of a better world. Love, in its purest, most undefiled essence, is the quintessence of compassion and empathy, understanding and acceptance. It is more than just a feeling. It is an unshakable universal force that shatters the most formidable walls of prejudice and indifferences, that builds bridges of connection and unity over the seemingly insurmountable divides of race, color, and creed. It is the great cosmic power that binds us all, the primordial glue that holds the universe together. Kindness, then, is love in action, the deliberate decision to extend this love to others, to touch lives and make a difference. It is the simple, often overlooked gesture of helping a stranger, a neighbor, or a friend. It is the act of giving selflessly, without any ulterior motives or expectations of reciprocation. It is choosing to put the welfare of others before oneself, to show empathy in a world often blinded by self-interest. Kindness is the act of sharing the love that we have in abundance, the act of spreading joy and happiness in a world that desperately needs it. Community is the beautiful, harmonious symphony that is born out of this love and kindness. It is the coming together, the confluence of diverse individuals who, despite their stark contrasts and glaring differences, are united by a common purpose, a common objective. It is the understanding that we are all part of something bigger, something grander than ourselves. It's the collective aspiration to create a world where everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, feels seen, feels valued, feels heard, and most importantly, feels loved. In essence, love, kindness, and community are not just isolated concepts. They are intricate threads woven together to form the fabric of a better, more inclusive world. Love, kindness, and community are the building blocks of a better world. So, remember the story of Tom and his town. Remember the essence of his life, the struggles he faced, and the triumphs he achieved. Tom wasn't just a simple man, but a beacon inspiration, his quiet strength echoing through the lanes of his humble town. He stood as a testament to the power of a single act of kindness, a power that might seem insignificant, but reality holds the potential to create tidal waves of change. Remember how that small-town community came together, united by their common for Tom. In a world often fractured by indifference, their unity was striking, a beautiful reminder of the strength that stems from oneness. They're just a group of individuals living in proximity. They were a united community. Their bonds forged the furnace of shared trials and triumphs. And oh, the transformative power of love, a force so potent, so incredibly magical, that it can the mundane into monumental. Remember the way love flowed through that town, healing wounds, bridging gaps, and bringing people closer. It was a testament to its transformative power, a power that changes lives, one simple act of kindness time. In the face of adversity, let us not be swayed by negativity. Instead, let us choose to spread love, to practice kindness, and to build a strong, supportive community. In the end, it is these small actions that will construct the utopia we all yearn for. It's the little things, the random acts of affection and benevolence you do, which make a significant difference. It's about forming close-knit communities, generating positive vibes, and promoting goodwill. The crux of the matter is, you don't need to be a superhero to revolutionize the world. A community, irrespective of its size, possesses the potential to bring about global transformation. So, venture out, disseminate love, and exhibit kindness. Remember, every community, no matter how small, has the power to change the world. Let's make sure we're changing it for the better.